Hi and welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina. This is the continuation of first vlog of Lagos, Portugal. And right now we are at the cultural festival of Lagos. We were very lucky to be able to attend this and it is so colorful, so amazing. Sit back and enjoy this festival and then we'll explore some beaches. There was a play going on in the center of the festival, and although they're speaking Portuguese, but they're acting, oh my god.
Moço é belo ladrão, mas padre, o que dizeis é apenas infração. Que crime ou que grave pecado.
And to talk about food, there were so many options in this festival, so creative and amazing options. So we are now headed to boat trip. We are paying £25 per person. Asher is free and it's a personal boat just for us. Very excited. This is our boat. Weather is good for today.
Very good today. It's very cold. It's a little wind, but no problem because no waves. It's flat.
Okay. Next. Don't worry. Just before coming to this boat, Asher fell down and hurt his lip, so he was not very happy. But the views, they were so amazing that even Asher cheered up in the middle of the trip and we all had so much fun. So watch the vlog and to find out what all did we see.
You see a potato here?
That's a potato beach. This one. Asher, you wanna swim in the water? No?
No.
Okay.
Because in Portugal, all beach it's public, okay?
Yeah.
But on the top, it's private.
Right. That's Dona. Dona Beach. It says Mrs. Anna.
No, it's like, it's a respectable lady.
Yeah.
Was a member of our last king. Okay? Look.
This is Camilo Beach. We came here yesterday. We came to this beach.
It's 200 25 steps.
Oh, yes. I have covered Camilo Beach in our first vlog of Portugal series. If you have not seen it yet, please go and see that one as well. The idea of this boat trip is to cover all the major beaches and rock formations in this area. Wow. Woo. Very nice.
Elephant. The rock there.
This
There,
one?
There.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like an elephant. True. Wow. We are going inside this now. What is it? Oh my god.
It's a love cave.
Love cave. Love cave, like love.
Love, yeah.
Love cave. Oh. Wow. It's got
वो नहीं है जो पेरिस में
Basically, there are so many trips here in Lagos which take you to this guided tour of Ponta da Piedade Grotto tours. Either you can take a personal boat like us or you can go in group tours. There is option of kayaking and dolphin tours as well, but with Asher with kids you cannot do kayaking. And I don't think you need to book online unless you're going in the peak season, because it's very, very easy to find boat tours when you walk in Lagos. So I will not recommend booking online. Wow! Dada, you have to come down, come down, come down. Oh! What is this? Asha, what is this?
What a cave. That's a skull in the pirate cave. Yay. Different colored water.
Yeah, it's turquoise, right?
Yeah.
It's
It's
full.
shining.
Yeah. Wow.
Cathedral. This is the cathedral.
What, Asha? Get out of here. He's very scared.
You don't like? Okay. 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 Let's go out then. Yeah.
Actually, I'm going to sit here.
Look, Mama sits here and then we go in again. Oh, this one is a big one.
This one, the name is the living room.
It's the living room.
It's a very spacious living room.
You like the living room, Asha?
After the step,
I think this boat tour is the highlight of Lagos. Like, you have to do it if you come here. It's amazing. Hola, amigo. There are some stalls here. Time for some shopping.
ये मिल रहे हैं बेबी बीच वाले कपड़े
हाँ
जाने के है ना
हाँ चादरें लग रही हैं ना
बिल्कुल सेम You like this towel?
Portugal is famous for cork bags. Basically, they make bags out of cork and they're not very expensive. €5, €10, as you can see, and there's so much variety.
Custard tart. Custard filled. Asha, are you coming?
Come, Asha. Ta-da! Come fast. This is the Batata beach in Lagos, and here you can have a relaxed day. It's a very clean beach. You can take your time off and relax with your family.
Water is coming to you.
Casa de Prego for Portuguese food today. Where do you want to sit? Let's sit window side.
Would you like to sit outside?
Yeah, we can see that.
I think you'll have spicy. Pá, se quiseres comer primeiro, eu como a seguir a bloco.
He got the colors also.
I can talk also. This is green sangria.
It's a very famous song.
After having an amazing full day activity kind of day in Lagos, we had a nice Indian dinner. Good morning, it's last day in Lagos and we are going to a very famous cafe, black and white cafe, for breakfast, and after that we will be heading to a new destination. Stay tuned to know where we are heading. And this is the cafe. Prices in the cafes and restaurants in Portugal are very optimal, like especially when you're coming from London. It doesn't feel very expensive. And this cafe, guys, is a must visit. I loved everything we ordered and very, very delicious and worth it. Oi. Time to say goodbye to this Lagos home. Now we are going to Carvero, which is 25 minutes ride from Lagos, and we have booked Uber. It's approximately €27 for the ride. Let's go!